Good morning. It's almost noon, isn't it, Sammy? We're Deborah's over there laughing at me.
Oh, I thought you told me to be quiet. You were filming.
I never say be quiet. I'm filming. We have a code word. And it's kangaroo. That means we're going to start filming. If you want to participate, fine. If you don't, fine. But that way you know the camera's rolling and you don't say something that you shouldn't say.
True. So start out, say good morning again like you did.
Good morning.
Vietnam.
Anyway, we are headed to California. Why would we do that?
Oh, God.
Actually, I should probably fill up with diesel before we go to California.
Hell yeah.
So we are going to go try a new laundromat in Blythe and see if it's less crowded. Did you look to see if the parking lot looked like?
It's great.
Okay.
I did a visual.
So we're going to actually go see, gosh, that's bouncing really bad. I don't know. I'm going to be able to tell. But we're going to go do laundry, and then we're going to go to, I know they have a grocery outlet and a shop and final. And then there's supposedly some other store.
Yeah, we want to go check out the one that River and Lauren told us about.
And
by Starbucks.
I looked on the map and I didn't see anything by Starbucks other than Albertsons. I was like, I just don't see anything other than Albertsons shop.
They go there once a week.
I know, but I didn't see it. But anyway, we're going to see if we can find it.
And you know, we got a lot of laundry to do because I'm wearing a dress.
You're wearing a what? Oh, she don't want to be on camera. So before we go eat, we're going to go to Filiberto's and get some Mexican food. See, we found the Mexican food place in Quartzsite. We won't go anywhere else now. No, I'm sure we will, but I'm going to get that chalupa and taco you got the other day. We're supposed to have chalupas this week, so that's going to be what we're going to get. And we're going to eat in the car. Why?
Because Finn kept me up all night. He was sick, and I had a headache, and I'm not 1,000% today, so I'm not even 100%. I'm not even 50% today.
So, anyway.
I don't want to do public.
No public today other than the laundromat.
That's a necessity.
Yes. So that's what we're going to go do.
And I'm going to do my laundry while Janet goes and does her shopping. Except I want to see that mom and pop store.
Yeah, I got to do laundry too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the only thing I need at the store is just like eggs, bread, tortillas. Not very much, so.
Finn's using Sammy for a pillow.
Oh, would you quit? You got your sunglasses on.
I know. That's true. Okay. I just am a mess today, you guys. Just a total mess.
It's like you got your sunglasses on. Nobody can tell.
My eyes are all swollen from no sleep, thanks to this dude. He's okay now. I will tell you, and you'll see it on my morning coffee tomorrow. I threw away a $40 bag of pig's ears that I bought because it was single ingredient, highly digestible.
He digested it, but
then he lost it. No GMO, no grain. Anyway, I think I said single ingredient. I lost track of what I was saying on it, but so I thought it might be a good treat for them, but no. And he didn't get to eat it very long. I turned my timer on, and it's not like he ate too much or anything. Anyway.
That kind of stuff, when they're on this clean food diet, and they don't get any of that processed stuff, I know.
Oh.
And then you give them processed stuff, their digestive system can't handle it.
Yeah, so anyway, I'm throwing $40 worth of pig ears away today because I ain't going to subject anybody else's dog to it or anybody else losing an entire not asleep either.
We're at the trash, so
Bye.
it's $2.95 credit too. It says credit and cash.
Oh gosh.
And I'm gonna get behind this. All right. Hi, Finn. Hi, Finn. Come here. Hey. No, your mama's gonna stay with the laundry. Yeah. She's gonna stay with the laundry. Yes. Oh, goodness. Hi, Sam. I know. I know. So, Deborah's gonna stay with the laundry. And I am gonna go to the grocery store and get a few things. And I've always wanted to go. Well, I watched two ladies on YouTube, and they have they shop at grocery outlet in California, and I was like, I would love to go to a grocery outlet in California, but I didn't realize that Blythe had one. So I am actually gonna go to the grocery outlet and check it out. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I know they sell like bulk items. Oh, they do have a homeless shoot here. Just right across the few. Anyway, yeah. Don't see that much like that. Anyway, focus. So I am gonna go over here to, what did I call it? A grocery outlet. I think I get the two confused that they talk about Winco and grocery outlet. Maybe it's Winco. I was telling Deborah that they have a bulk section, and now I'm thinking that's Winco and not grocery outlet. But we're gonna go check it out anyway. Go see what it's all about. Oh, I know, Finn. We gotta get some doggies, some foods, don't we? Well, Sammy, that's like every 4 days I'm cooking. All right. What? No. He's a mess. He is a mess. Oh. Sorry about that. Sammy, what do you think about it all? She's like, don't ask me. Grocery outlet. Let's go see if we can save some money. I just remembered I'm in California. You have to take your own grocery bags. Gotta go back to the truck. Never seen that before. It's called family parking. Interesting. Kind of reminds me of an Aldi's. Let's see. We need some. We need some turkey and ground beef. There's a little maniac. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh, goodness. I know. We had to go to the store. Had to get your food. Whew. Warmed up. That's for sure. The sun came out, didn't it, Sammy? Y'all need some water? Y'all need some waters? Try to be prepared with water for the pups. Water for the pups. Sammy doesn't really like drinking out of this because it splashes her and me. Finn, you want a drink? Finn, and drink? Says yes, please. I need a drink. There you go. Is that all, y'all? All y'all? Is that all, y'all? Well, grocery outlet is interesting. Looking for a can of green beans, and there's not a green bean in that store. It's really weird. They had a whole side that was like Mexican food, and then they had the Chinese food, specialties. They had soups like Campbell's soups and a bunch of specialty foods. So I was thinking it was going to be more like an outlet store where stuff is about to go out of date and it gets shipped over here and it's cheaper. No, it's kind of more of a specialty store. So I did get 3 pounds of turkey for $10. So obviously that's not the $1.98 a pound from Walmart, but you gotta drive. I mean, I know we drove 20 miles over here, but we'd have to go to Parker. I don't like that drive. And I was looking for frozen peas and carrots. They had frozen peas. So we're probably going to have to stop at Albertsons and get the veggies for the pups. The veggies? It is veggies. It's not make-believe veggies. Don't you do that when it's not really real? Anyway, headed back to the laundromat, and we'll probably stop at, I don't know, the Smart and Final. It's been a long time since I've been in there. It's funny because I was thinking maybe I haven't been in there, but one of the sacks that I took in was a Smart and Final sack. So paper sacks here at the outlet was 15 cents a piece. Boy, if you forget your sacks, that adds up over time. In California, take your sacks. Woo. All right. And I don't know where Smart and Final is from here anyway, but let's go check on Deborah and help her. Maybe it's time to put clothes in the dryer. Well, I didn't know that Blythe had a Chipotle's. Yeah, that might be worth taking a little road trip for some Chipotle when you just want to get out of quartzite. Yeah. And since we did laundry, we get a treat. Yay! Guess what we're gonna have? What are you doing, Finster? What you doing, Finster? Oh, I know. She'll be here in just a minute. She'll be here in just a minute.
They got it wrong.
Oh, no.
After all of that, I did not want to go through switching it out in there.
I'll just drink that and the whipped cream and then give you the big one.
Switch lids and put the whipped cream on yours.
Oh. Here, just let me have it. So what happened? So y'all saw that I got the wrong order. Whipped cream's supposed to have been on mine. She goes in there and what happened?
They couldn't find the order, but they're doing a regional training. There's like 20 people in their training. And the regional manager's like, just get it done, give it to her. We need to get on and finish this up.
It's probably at the Starbucks at
Yeah, so I thought, oh
Albertsons.
man, I think I ordered it down the road at Albertsons. But I could have sworn I picked the right address. It's not at Albertsons.
Where is it?
Guess.
Artesia. Well, I guess Pahrump first, but I'm like, surely not. So
Oh my gosh, I need to call them.
we have a Starbucks waiting at home for us in New Mexico.
I'll call them and let them know.
I still have to go to Albertsons though.
Yeah. I was telling Jenna hers with whipped cream is probably there at Albertsons. She can just pick it up. Not even there.
Nope.
Oh my God.
So you've made a order pizza and had it delivered.
To Pahrump.
Yeah, not delivered, but you ordered pizza from Pahrump Domino's, and we were in Artesia. We're now in Blythe, California, and you've ordered a Starbucks in Artesia, New Mexico.
Yeah. I'm a nomad. I can't keep straight where I am.
That's exactly right. All right,
Oh my gosh.
let's go to Albertsons.
Those poor people. And they're busy.
Artesia Starbucks, how can I help?
Yes. Is this the Starbucks in Artesia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a mobile order for Deborah Dickinson?
Let me double check. 2 tall mochas, or 1 tall mocha and then 1 venti mocha with no whip.
Yes, sweetheart. The only problem is I am in Blythe, California.
Oh no, wrong Artesia.
Yes, I am so sorry.
It's gonna melt.
They're gonna melt by the time I get there. I'll be there in 2 days and 10 hours.
No worries, no worries.
All right.
If you still want Starbucks, you can go to that original Starbucks and just show them. They'll comp you. They should be able to give you and make sure. Money is money at Starbucks, so it all transfers over.
Well, wonderful. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Have fun in California.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
So I'm looking at cheese here at Albertsons. That is $3.49, say 50 cents. 43 cents per ounce. Tillamook down here is $2.99. Save $3.37 an ounce. Alright, I'll go with Tillamook. Ooh, they have no eggs. I bought eggs at the outlet, but they don't have any eggs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What's going on? What? You don't want me to? You don't want me to Spanish? Oh.